That makes absolutely no sense.
Let me guess. You're a model.
Obviously, I'm a model, but I'm so much more than that. I'm a philosopher. I'm an artist. I'm an economist.
Your non-prescription glasses still have the sticker on them. Now, please be quiet. I need to take this call. Hi. Yes. I'm very interested in the apartment. I'm responsible, clean, nice.
Rude, sweaty, split ends.
Be quiet. No, not you. No, I don't have a boyfriend.
And they're cool with it?
Shh. No, not you. They hung up. Thanks for nothing.
And you're welcome for everything. Burn.